Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire wall mounted. They offer up to 60% energy savings compared to conventional lighting with an efficacy of up to 100 lumen watts. Ledinaire is available in two shapes, rectangular and round, both with a white housing and an opaque cover. The manufacturing process and the quality of materials made them suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. They are UVC resistant and feature IP65 and IK08 ratings. The lumen output for Ledinaire is of up to 1700 lumen, coming in two color temperatures. They are not dimmable, but some versions come with an optional integrated motion and daylight sensor for presence detection and daylight harvesting. Find out all the configuration possibilities in the product datasheet. The efficient design provides push-in connectors for easy and fast installation with the possibility of through wiring for a maximum run of 10 luminaires. Thanks for watching.